Hello everyone. In this lecture, I want to talk about few important methods that are available with the C style strings. So what I've done, I've created a character array, and suppose I want to calculate the length of this array. Okay, how many characters it has. So I can simply do cout strlen. This is a function that is available, and I can give the name of the array, the name of the character array for which I want to do this work. So if I show you the output, it gives me 5. So you can see it has 5 letters, and if you talk about storage, it actually has 6 letters because it is also null terminated. Okay, so that is the first function that we have seen. If we want to calculate the length, we can use the strlen function. The next function is string copy. So if we want to copy one string to another string, we can easily do it using string copy function. We don't need to write a for loop to do the work. So we can say string copy the value of A to B. Okay, so the first parameter is the destination where we want to put, and the second is the source. So if I copy A from the value of A to B, and if I do cout B, you can see B is an empty string, but if I print B here, I can see it will contain the word apple. Okay, so you can see it contains the word apple, and that's how the string copy function works. And obviously it is doing it letter by letter, and it is going to take linear time. So we have seen string copy. The third is string compare. So string compare basically tells us whether two strings are equal or not. So I can check, I can compare A and B. So if all the letters match, this function is going to return 0. So let us see what happens. So yes, it is giving us a 0 because both the strings are equal, and if it is not equal, it will give us +1 or -1. So let us say let us add something to the B. So maybe I can say I can use this string concatenate function that goes by the name strcat. I want to concatenate two strings. Maybe I can say, let me show you one example here. So let's say char web equals to www and char domain equals to let's say codingminutes.com. I want to concatenate these two into one, so I can just cout strcat, and I can say web and domain, and let's see, and you can see we are getting www.codingminutes.com. okay, maybe I should put a dot here, and now we can see we are able to concatenate these two strings. Now I can also compare this string so this is going to output a string, and I can copy this value inside B. I can just string copy this string into B. Okay, so let's see what happens now. And if I do cout B here, so it would be B would take the value codingminutes.com. okay, so B is now codingminutes.com, and I can compare this with apple. So I can say cout string compare A and B. Now this output will not be 0, it would be something else. So let me show it to you. So this output is actually negative. Okay, and if I change this order B comma A, it would be positive, I guess. Okay, so yes, it is -22 and it is +22. So it basically returns a positive value or a negative value or a 0. Okay, so in the 3 directions this string compare can go. And if you are interested in actually knowing how this value is computed, I will not tell you. Go to the documentation and read about what more functions are available in the with the C style strings. Okay, go and read about it on the web. Okay, that's all for this lecture. Thank you for joining.